Okay, I loaded the grill and the birds are still coming. Wow. Okay. I want to say it's slowing up a little bit, but nope, here come more. It's not slowing down yet. Oh. Yeah, there's a wad of them. They're dipping lower now. Gosh. Look at the birds. Got a little bit of a shake there, sorry. I think I'm trying to hold it too hard. Huh. They're still coming. Still pouring over the roof. Wow. Wonder where they're all coming from. That is a ton of birds. Starting to get some pink and blue in there. Yeah, that's pretty. Another nice sunset.